Hi guys, so today we're going to be learning about how to use a free resource called Nearpod. Now with Nearpod you can either do it in the classroom or you can do it at home. It is a free app that you can use on any kind of website or anything that you want on any device. So with Nearpod it is a real-time insights into student understanding through interactive lessons, interactive videos, gamification, and activities all on one single platform. So basically how you're going to start off with Nearpod is that the teacher is going to give you a code and you are going to join the lesson. And so throughout the lesson, you can do a series of like quizzes, games, there will be slides, videos that'll teach you and walk you through the lesson. So let's do a Nearpod presentation. So this is how the teacher would see the portal, and this is how we would create a lesson. So we are going to click here, we're going to hit add content and activities. Now you can choose to add a slide. You can choose to add a blank slide with the classic slide editor, a video, a link to a website. In it you can interact with 3D objects, you can do simulations, a VR field trip, videos, slideshows, audios, and more. So if you want to add slides, we can go to our blank slide. And it wants to load on me. Here we go, we can add any title. So let's add, how to count by tens, and then see I can add a paragraph of whatever I want to say, like this is how you count by tens, and then give an example down there, and then so I can save it, and add a new thing. Let's do this. Load. I can edit my layout, I can choose whatever themes I want, so I can hit save and then I can go back. Sorry, my internet is very slow. And we can add new content and activities, and we can go to the activity section, we can do time to climb, we can do an open-ended question, matching pairs, a quiz, a flip grid where you can send a video in for your answers, a draw it, collaborate board, a poll, anything. So if I wanted to do an open-end question, let's wait for it to load. So I can enter my question here. Say, how do we count by tens? And you can just leave it right there. I can add a timer, I can add an image, and I can enable student recordings as well. So like I said, this website is for free. You can use it online, or there's an app on your whatever device you may use, and it is an awesome resource to use both inside and outside the classroom.